Hello, my name is Tom Walton, and I'm president of Service Energy. A little background on me: I've been in the HVAC maintenance arena for decades, and I've both owned and managed companies anywhere between extremely large companies down to pretty small local companies. And I've had the opportunity over the decades to learn a little bit about the markets that all of us as contractors compete in. And they've always been challenging, but particularly today, it goes without saying that markets are very competitive, and frankly, they're very price driven. They've been price driven for quite some time, but today's price driven is like nothing we've ever seen before. And what I'd ask you, if I was consulting with you and working with you as one of my contractors, I always ask you to be candid with yourself. When you go out with either salespeople or yourself and you make a presentation to a potential client of maintenance, what is a percentage of time or the number of times that they're going to go with you versus your competition? Is it, for example, 1 out of 10, which would be 10% of the time? Would it be 3 out of 10? That kind of thing. And the reason I ask that question is you've got to know that if you've got a 2 out of 10 close rate, it's not terrible, but it tells you that 8 out of 10 times your prospective client has decided to go with your competition for a reason. Now, in these markets that we have today, generally speaking, it's price. And we say, well, why are they going with price? Why can't they make a decision on something a little higher level than that? These prospective clients make better decisions. And it's because we really have not given them much choice but price to make a decision on. All buyers buy and select the product or service they buy because they see a difference that impresses them, that causes them to, want to buy that product or that service over another one. And if we don't give them anything but price that's different, then price is what they're going to make a decision on. For example, for years, for decades, we've been talking to clients about how PM has some remarkable qualities, like it reduces downtime, it extends the life of the equipment, it makes the HVAC equipment more energy efficient, it reduces compressor failures, whatever the case may be. It causes greater comfort. But really, we don't have any tangible empirical data to back that up. It's just, our viewpoints, and I happen to agree with that viewpoints that PM or maintenance does some really wonderful things. But no one, not our competition, not us, is really able to prove that. So the one thing that a buyer of maintenance can depend on and can differentiate us from our competition is our price. And so if we're candid with ourselves, we're the ones that cause people 8 out of 10 times to go with our competition, or 7 out of 10 times, or 6 out of 10 times if we're really doing well. But a lot of times they're going to go with competition 9 out of 10 times because they found probably that we're saying about the same thing as our competition is saying, but they've got a little better price than us. So the key is, do you have a plan in place, a real plan that's going to truly dramatically increase your close rates? And if you do, wonderful. And then judge that plan by, did it really increase the close rates? Does it retain clients better than it did before? Does it hold on to clients better than it did before? And does it sell, better than it did before? And if it doesn't, then consider a new plan. Now, we have a plan, and we call it Smart HVAC Maintenance. And we believe that it will increase your close rates because it's going to give your clients, your prospective clients, something different than they have right now. And I'd love to share with you exactly how it's going to give you and your clients something different other than just price. Smart HVAC Maintenance is a monthly program, and you basically sign up a month at a time. And if it's doing what we believe it will do, then you continue to pay your monthly fee and you stay with us. If it doesn't do what it's supposed to do, and that is close more new sales and hold on to the existing ones, then you go ahead and you leave. So we've got a couple of training videos. If you will go to our website, you can watch them, and then watch those videos. And after you watch them, sign up for a month. See what it does. Participate. Learn by doing. I can tell you it's going to be wonderful. Don't take my word for it. Try it out and see what it does. If you like it the first month, then you'll continue the second month, and so on. The website is www.serviceenergy.com, and Service Energy only has one E between service and energy. So go to the website, watch the videos, and I recommend you sign up for 1 month to see what it does. I look forward to working with you.